So today we are going to solve few questions on Monera. Now see, if they're given you the question, what type of nutrition is present in bacteria which is responsible for microbial purity of Ganga water? Then first of all, see which bacteria is responsible for purity of the Ganga water. That is Vibrio bacteriovirus. Is it clear? So this bacteria is responsible for cleaning the Ganga water. It is growing in the space which is present between the cell wall and cell membrane, that is periplasmic space, and it is growing in the axis there. As a result, the bacteria will be the one which is there will be killed. Okay, so they are showing which type of nutrition. It means they are depending on another for their food. So answer will go chemoheterotroph. Now see next question. Now see the next question. Next question is the envelope which covers the protein coat in some bacteria is made up of. So if you remember, we have already studied in the gram positive and gram negative cell wall differences there. And in the gram positive, the outside cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, whereas in gram negative, outside is made up of lipopolysaccharide, means lipid, protein and sugar. So we will select this option. Now see, during binary fission, what is a method of cell division? If you know, bacteria is a member of kingdom Monera and they don't have nuclear membrane. If they don't have nuclear membrane, it means they don't have any cytoskeleton structure also, which we see in the eukaryotic cell. So they will not show mitosis, they will show amitosis. So your answer will go amitosis. Next question is the anticoagulant nature of endospore. If you remember, we have already studied that bacteria, bacillus shape, makes endospore. And the endospore is resistant even to the pasteurization because in its cortex, calcium dipicolinic acid is present. So that is why it is having anticoagulant nature because of this chemical. I hope you are able to understand because already we have discussed through our videos, these are the properties present in the endospores. Regarding cross-wall formation during binary fission, which of the following statement is correct? If you remember, we have already discussed that in bacteria, binary fission is a method of the asexual reproduction, and the cross-wall formation and septa both are going on same time, simultaneously they are going on. Is it clear? Now, halophils, how do they differ from eubacteria? First of all, remember halophils are the members of archaebacteria, and archaebacteria are the one which are showing difference with respect to eubacteria only because of the cell wall. Archaebacteria cell wall is made up of pseudomurin and bacteria cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, also known as murin. Halophils are the archaebacteria which survive in extreme salty areas. So question is ki how do they differ from eubacteria in having high osmotic pressure of their cell sap? Which feature is responsible for their survival in? Where they are found? I told you right now that they are found in the extreme salty areas. Now next question is ki archaebacteria can survive in extreme conditions. In the previous question only I gave you the hint that archaebacteria is able to survive in extreme conditions because of the difference in the cell wall composition. So difference in the cell wall is helping them to survive in the extreme condition. Now what are the incorrect features for thermoacidophile? Thermo means high temperature, acid means sulfuric acid. It means these are the archaebacteria which survive in hot sulfur springs. So it means if they are surviving in the acidic medium, it means they can tolerate low pH. They can oxidize sulfur to sulfuric acid in aerobic and they can reduce sulfur to H2S in anaerobic. Is it clear? But in the strong light, these will not develop any pigment. This is again wrong. This is not correct for the thermoacidophile. Heterocyst in blue-green algae. In the previous video only, yesterday video, we have discussed it that blue-green algae are having a capability of fixing the carbon dioxide and capability of fixing the nitrogen. But nitrogen fixation is done only in the spatial cell, that is heterocyst cell. So heterocysts are responsible for nitrogen fixation. Now what is incorrect with respect to BGA? We are saying that BGA is a gram-negative photosynthetic prokaryote. This is correct because yesterday only we have discussed that BGA is gram negative. Still, if you are having doubt, then please go and check that video. Your topic will get clear. They are found only in fresh water. No, they are also found in the marine water, because we say Trichodesmium erythraeum makes red sea. It means marine habitat is also there. They can be unicellular, they can be filamentous, they can be colonial. Most primitive organisms to perform oxygenic, yes, but found in only in fresh water, that is wrong. So this option is wrong. After doing this, you can submit it and you can evaluate your result. See, this way they will show you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.